Yes, so hopefully I am audible, and let's move on. Not moving on. Let's start with our new course. Okay, new course, new course on new course on this. Or okay, again, I have no idea about forest services. Okay, forest services, no idea, no idea. Okay, so new course on this paper one. Okay, paper one. Welcome everyone to this brand new course, and videos will come. Okay, every alternate day. Okay, its videos will come every alternate day. Like today is 7th, then a video will come on 9th, then it will come on 11th. Okay, like that. And this course is for 2024 aspirants. Okay, but don't worry, physics optional videos, those who have physics as their optional, their videos will come daily. Okay, so physics optional videos are going to come daily, but maths optional videos will come every alternate day. And this course is for 2024 aspirants, and the physics optional course is for 2023 aspirants. Okay, so that course will be completed before 2023 prelims, means in the month of January. So the planner right now is that by Jan 2023 your this will be over. Okay, by Jan 2024 on our YouTube channel. Okay, okay. And why instead of speaking I am writing? Because even after speaking some students might skip it, some students just skip it. So that's why I am writing each and everything, because some students have very difficulty to listen properly. If some noise is coming from the background, someone is frying something in the kitchen, then the voice is coming to your ears, and if you don't plug in the earphones, then you don't understand half of the things. Okay, so that's why I have written it. Okay, that this is going to be over, this course is going to be over by January 2023. By January 2024 this course will be over. Okay, and one more announcement is that April 2023 this course will start. Okay, April 2023 this course will start, and it will end, this course will end on January 2025. Okay, this course will end on this. Okay, so this is a very far off dream. It is a very it's not there in the near future, it's a very far off dream. But right now these are in near future. Okay, so this course has already started, and alternate day its video are going to come, and after this course is over its videos will come daily. Okay, these videos will come daily after this course is over. Okay, so let's start with our discussion of paper one. As far as the syllabus is concerned, and as far as the book is concerned, so I would say that there is no need of book. Okay, because I am going to cover everything in the class as far as maths optional is concerned. Okay, for physics optional I didn't do the same thing, because in physics optional you always have to refer a book for theory. Okay, everything cannot be told in the class, but maths optional is such a optional that everything can be told in the class itself. Okay, so that's why this course will be sufficient, provided you take the notes along with the class. When you watch the class you take the notes, then around 7,000 pages notes will be there. Okay, around 7,000 pages of notes will be there, and these notes will be sufficient to crack UPSC with maths as an optional subject. Okay, these 7,000 page notes will be sufficient to crack UPSC with maths as an optional subject. No need to purchase any book. Okay, no need of book. Right now I have all the subscriber with physics as their optional subject. Okay, right now I have some 107 subscribers. Okay, so all of them have the physics as their optional subject. Okay, so those students, I would request to these students that please forward this video to your friends with maths option. Okay, so matrices, by the definition of matrices, we will start with the chapter matrices. And in matrices, let us write a heading over here, matrices. Now the definition of matrices says, okay, definition, what does it say? Now let us write the definition. Definition says that any system of mn elements, any system of mn elements arranged in a rectangular array of m row and n column is called a matrix. It's called a matrix. Any system of mn elements arranged in a rectangular array of m row and n column is called a matrix. Okay. Now any system of mn elements. Now let me tell you that how a matrix is represented. It is represented something like this: A11, okay, A12, A13, so on and so forth, A1n, then A21, A22, A23, so on and so forth to A2n. I will explain each and every term. Okay, so AM1, AM2, AM3, so on and so forth to AMN. Now, what is this? This is very clear that it is first row. It is first row. Okay, these horizontal things are called as rows, and the vertical things are called as columns. So it is very clear that this horizontal thing is a row. Okay, this is first row, then this is second row. Similarly, there will be third row, then there will be fourth row, so on and so forth. This is the mth row. What is this? This is the mth row. Mth row. And what is the nth? Now this is the first column. Okay, let me mark it with a different color. This is the first column. Okay, this is the second column. Okay, this is the third column. Then there will be fourth column. Then there will be fifth column. There will be sixth column, seventh column, so on and so forth up to nth column. Okay, so nth column is there, and m rows are there. Okay, so and this is what? This is basically your nth column. Okay, this is your nth column. So it is a rectangular array, right? Rectangular array means these form a rectangle. You can clearly see that these are forming a rectangle. Okay, if you look at it carefully, then this thing forms clearly a rectangle. Okay, how will I show it? This thing, then this thing, then this thing, then this thing. Okay, it clearly forms a rectangle. Okay, so array means arrangement. Array means arrangement. So rectangular arrangement of m row and n column. M rows, why m rows? Because from here till here there are m rows. Okay, and why n columns? From here till here there are n columns. So that's why m rows and n columns. Okay, so such an array is called a matrix. Now let me tell you one thing. Let me write that thing once again. Okay, A is equal to A11, A12, A13, so on and so forth, A1n. Okay, so over here, this subscript, in general, I can represent any element with the symbol ij, aij, and it can be written as m cross n. Okay, so this is the short form of this. To represent this short form can be used. So to represent a matrix A, this short form A I J M cross n can be used. Okay, now these are what? These are what? All these show denote basically rows. So this is the first row. So everywhere it is 1 1. It is first row, so everywhere it is 1 1. Okay, but column is changing. Column is changing. Column is changing because this is first column, this is second column, this is third column. Row does not change. Row is the same. Row is number 1 only. But column is changing. So as column is changing 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth up to n. Such is the case. Okay. And in short, it is represented like this, where I, what does I represent? Subscript I represent the rows. Okay. Subscript I basically represent your rows. And your subscript J represents basically columns. We should say row number and column number actually. Okay. I denotes row number and J denotes column number. Okay. So in general, I can write it like that. Okay. So as this is the introductory course, so basically I will keep the discussion up to here only, because I have to upload physics optional videos as well. Okay. So this is the very first orientation class. So I will teach up to here only. In the next class, I will move on towards the next topic. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.